Okay, so to draw the line in Adobe Premiere, what you have to do is you have to use the pen tool. Okay, so you can see that pen tool over here. So just click on that. If you can't see this pen tool, what you have to do is press Alt key and then click here, and you will see the rectangle tool. So basically you can switch between different tools by pressing the Alt key and then clicking on these buttons. So once the pen tool is visible, just click on that and then at the first point of the line. Say for example, I want the line to start from here and then I want the line to end over here. So just click another point and you can see the line is created. Once the line is created, also the graphics object is also added on the timeline, as you can see over here. And just make sure that you are selecting the selection tool. Once that graphics object is selected, you can edit this align properties like color, width, etc. on the right hand side. To add the animation to this line, what you have to do is that select this graphics object and then on the left hand side in the effect controls panel you will see this crop effect. So basically you have to go to the right property and then add the keyframe down here. So just click on this particular icon and then go to the beginning where the line starts, and then you can increase this right position to 100% for example. And now if you run this, you can see that line is animating like this. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.